With medical equipment in short supply, many health professionals are doing whatever they can to protect themselves during the pandemic. Healthcare workers across the country are sharing pictures on Twitter of their makeshift protective gear, including homemade face masks, ski goggles, and even Halloween costumes. Vittoria Woodill shows you how a local nurse is helping make sure some of her co-workers stay safe on the job.
I'm sure you're probably aware that many hospitals are running short on supplies, especially masks. Well, the other night I FaceTimed one local nurse after her 13-hour shift, who showed me that a nurse's shift is really never over. So meet Brenda, a woman and a mother who has been making her own masks for her family and her family on the front line. Do you think people really understand sort of the emotional, physical toll that nurses go through, especially in a situation like this? I mean, is there anything you could even compare it to?
No, and it's sad to say, we a lot of the nurses said, I don't sleep at night. You're worrying about your patients. The floor that we're on, like we said, it is all COVID patients. And sometimes now I'm catching myself driving home from work just in silence because I just need the time for my brain not to think and not to worry about what's going on, almost to decompress.
Well, it turns out that didn't last long because then you went out and got a sewing machine.
When I worked last week, I realized, the supplies were dwindling because everybody's using the mask, and rightfully so. We were not prepared for this. I don't think anybody across the country is prepared for this. And I started to see some people putting on Facebook, I'm going to try to make my own mask. And like the jokes about, we'll use a scarf if you don't have a mask. And I was like, wait a second. So then it started to click, like, could I make us masks? My daughter has a toy sewing machine. So I went online to look to see what patterns I thought would work for us, realizing that we needed more filtration. And by no means is this an N95, but I kind of wanted something that was that style to like cover the bridges of our nose and get a seal around our mouth. So I found this one mask that I was able to create a pocket between the two layers that I actually have. It's crazy, but I use coffee filters. I took a coffee filter and I folded it in half, and there's a little pocket on the inside, and I stuck the coffee filter in the pocket, and it just adds another layer of protection for us.
So you're using coffee filters, fabric that you bought, and scrunchies.
And headbands. I think that people need to realize that everybody plays a part. For those who are contractors or carpenters and have N95s that you're not using, you can't get out to work. Donate them. We need them. We're in desperate need. Desperate. And if you have a sewing machine, if I can do it, you can do it.
Brenda also shared with me that the morning she ran out to buy a sewing machine, she wasn't the only nurse doing the same exact thing. To our nurses, thank you. And to all of us who work to safely stand by, this may be the time to pick up a new hobby and help. Vittoria Woodill for CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
How about that? Amen.